Hey guys, and welcome to Country Lily Decor. My name is Barbara, and I'm so glad to have you here today. Today's video is in collaboration with 4 other channels, which I will have linked to their channels in the description box below. I had a great time making this project. The collaboration is with Discovering the Art of Living, Lovely Moments Creating, Portraying the Craft, and Miss Misty's Mysterious Art. I hope that you'll go over to their channels and take a look at their videos. They are amazing crafters and amazing artists. So the challenge for today in our project was to create a fun summer wreath using 4 summer items. I really like the way mine turned out. It's very colorful and I had a great time making it. So I can't wait to share it with you. So let's get started. For this project, I used a wire wreath form that I purchased at Dollar Tree, some black pipe cleaners, some poly mesh, and this cute little sign with a pink flamingo on it and the beach that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I put the sign and it fit perfectly on top of the wreath, and I attached that using hot glue. Then I put a pipe cleaner around the middle portion of the wire wreath form and gathered my yellow poly mesh and tie wrapped the end of that with the pipe cleaner. And then once you get that secured on there, you flip it over and then you'll feed a portion of that poly mesh up through the first part of the wreath form, and you'll pull up a little bunch of it, and then you'll go to the second part of the wreath form and pull up some more, and then you'll just continue doing that around the entire wreath, and then you will tie the end with another pipe cleaner. I took some pink poly mesh, cut off a portion of it from the roll, then I rolled that up and cut it in half, and then I took each of those half pieces and folded those over in half, attached that to the wreath with a pipe cleaner, and I did that on 4 sections of the wreath in between the 2 yellow meshes. I took some blue ribbon that I had purchased at Dollar Tree, and I cut a portion of that off, folded it over in half, cut dovetails, and then I just slid that ribbon into the wreath form between the 2 yellow meshes. And I did that on 3 sections of the wreath. I did that at the top and both sides. I had some little bunny feet left over from a previous project off of a sign that I had purchased at Dollar Tree, and I just flipped those over, painted them pink, and then I took a white paint marker and I drew the little sandal part of the flip-flops and gave it a cute little polka dot color. I used that same blue ribbon and cut a section off, and then I just folded it over and under until I had enough that I could form a circle, and then I hot glued the little circle together, and then I attached that to the dowel that I had previously painted white, and then I took a little bit of fabric and cut circles to put on the top to make a cute little beach umbrella. Using the same blue ribbon, I cut a section of that, formed a circle, squoze the little centerpiece together to make a cute little bow, and then I hot glued that little center section together, and then I took another piece and just kind of folded it in thirds, wrapped that around the bow, and hot glued it to make a cute little bow to go on the bottom of the wreath. I used the top of a mason jar lid, and I was going to make like a little life raft, and I started painting it white, but then I changed my mind because I didn't like the way it turned out, so I painted it yellow, and then took a white paint marker and drew the center dot and then the lines in the outside to make a lemon slice. I used hot glue to attach the bow to the bottom of the wreath, the umbrella on one side, the flip-flops at the top, and the lemon slice on the right-hand side. Just please be careful when you use hot glue with tin. It gets very hot. It turned out so cute and so colorful. And the 4 things of summer: lemons, flip-flops, the beach, a beach umbrella, and threw in a little pink flamingo. I really had a lot of fun making this project. I think it turned out so cute. Thank you, ladies, for this collaboration, and thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a big thumbs up if you did, or leave your comments down below. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Take care, and I will see you next week.